Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Kai step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write. Kai to open. To start. To turn on. For example, 开始 开始 to begin. Now check this sentence. The story begins with their marriage. The story begins with their marriage.故事以他们的婚姻开始。故事 story 以他们的婚姻开始 marriage 开始故事以他们的婚姻开始。故事以他们的婚姻开始。开 in cursive. Kai to open, to start, to turn on. 开始 to begin. The story begins with their marriage. 故事以他们的婚姻开始。开 Please comment any words or sentence with the character Kai. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.